Hey guys, today let's learn how to install iOS 16 onto our phones in 2022. Head on over to Safari and I want you guys to search for iOS 16 beta testing or beta software program. So over here we have this link, which is called beta.apple.com. And when you click on that, it's going to give you this prompt. Okay, since iOS 16 is coming soon, it's not really available on the local or rather the worldwide market as of now. But once you actually head on onto this website, you can actually head on and basically just sign up for the Apple Beta software program, wherein it's going to give you a file that you can actually download. And that file is called a beta profile. And that beta profile is just basically a profile, which it's just basically a beta version and not the final version of iOS 16. So basically, if you guys want to receive that, just click over here on sign up. And actually, you have to wait until this coming soon. Changes to something like now available or beta testing now available. And of course, once you head on in and add that, all you need to do next is to basically use your Apple ID to log in over here. And basically, once the website verifies that you are an iOS user with a verified Apple ID, it's going to give you the chance to download the beta software program and give you early access to iOS 16. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.